You found one.
Nothing in it.
Yeah, some of them have stuff in them. Some of them don't. Some of them are just eggs. Some of them have some money in them. What is in there? Cindy, you want to pick that one up? This one it's empty, but... Oh, pick it up anyway. Put it in your bag. Pick it up so we can put it away.
Did you find some more?
I got 2 eggs.
You found some?
2.
Oh, he found one. Oh, that one's got stuff in it. A money egg.
I have 2 money eggs.
Hey, Pooch. You finding any, Trav?
Yeah, I got 2. And then 1.
No.
I got 4. There's 1 in this egg. Coming in there.
Travis, you missed one.
Where? I didn't find some eggs. Daddy,
Yeah?
are you using your camera on?
I am. I'm cameraing you. Are you finding some, Sid?
You gonna make it?
No,
Okay,
the Pooch.
Tito, get back so Charlotte can get up. Okay, you gonna make it?
Alright.
Good job. So, you guys missed one over here. There's one in this area.
Hey, Charlotte. Egg over here.
Charlotte, there's one by me. Do you see the one by me?
Oh, she's gonna go down there. You're gonna go catch her.
There you go, Ted.
She's gonna go, go, go! Woo!
Got them all up there?
Daddy, I had no more, but then they gave me 2.
Oh, she gave you some?
Yeah.
That was awfully nice of you, Sydney. Yeah. Sydney was up there.
There's still one by the rock wall, I think. I think there's still one by the rock wall.
What?
Rock wall.
Come on, guys. Three more eggs. Here. No, there isn't. One ready. Okay. I'll go down.
Okay, Charlotte's coming down.
Get up.
I told my mother, like, don't go down the slide. You can't get up. Don't go down. She's like, oh, I'm going to go down.
Look at her place first.
She's thousands
Look
of times
at
to
it
get
like.
to this.
She didn't bounce 3 times.
Hey, crab, there's none up there.
More like twice.
Going? Get up there if you're going. Come on, go. What's wrong with you?
Yep, I think we have
Go.
all.
You going up or what?
Yep, I think we have all the eggs. Do you want one side count? Charlie, you want to hold the bag while you fly?
You know, Sydney, I started taping when you guys came walking up here, and it hasn't even been 5 minutes. That is a scavenger hunt. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Hey. Did you get some eggs?
Yeah.
What do you got? Let's see.
First I.
Let's see. I just want to see. You got a whole bunch in there.
because I saw some down and I picked them up and then I got some more.
Butt blinker.
Dad,
What?
it's very, very nice of me to give some to Travis.
That was very nice of you.
Trampolining and
Thanks for making it.
She's made it.
Cheeto.
Okay.
Cheeto, you're gonna break your
Was that
leg.
Easter? Is that the hunt?
How's the hunt?